Hey there and welcome back to the channel. If you're just getting started with freelance writing or thinking about it, I want to save you some serious time and stress. Today I'm sharing the things I really wish I knew when I was started freelance writing. No fluff, just the lessons that would make everything easier. First of all, you'll never feel 100% ready. I spent weeks thinking I had to have a perfect website, perfect niche, perfect everything. But the truth is you learn by doing. And don't wait for clarity, take small actions and clarity comes from action. I thought I need a fancy portfolio site, but one simple writing sample in Google Docs, that's enough to land your first gig. Don't let tech slow you down. A clean document and a well-written pitch can open doors. I was nervous because I didn't have a journalism degree. Turns out clients care about results, not your education. If you can solve their problem with a strong writing, you're in. I was scared to pitch. I thought I had to be super confident or extroverted. Nope. Pitching is a skill you learn, and start with the short, clear messages that show you understand what the client needs. The more you send, the easier it gets. This one took me a while. You'll get ignored or rejected, and that's the part of the business. But it doesn't mean you're bad. Most of the time, they just hired someone else or weren't ready to hire. Just keep going. I tried doing everything at once. Social media, blogging, applying everywhere. But real progress came when I picked one niche, one writing sample, and pitched one type of client. Do less and do better. Also, I undercharged a lot in the beginning. I thought no one would pay me more, but when I raised my rates politely and confidentially, people still hired me. If your writing solves a business problem, it's valuable. So what do I wish I knew sooner? Don't wait to feel ready. Start simple, no fancy site needed. Clients want results, not degrees. Pitching gets easier, rejection isn't personal, focus wins over hustle, and you can charge more. If you're just getting started and want real guidance, you can check out my full freelance writing course. It even comes with a free beginner ebook to help you take action fast. And hey, if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I've got more no fluff writing tips coming your way. See you in some other video. Bye bye.